In this prep question, there's actually a little less work to do. On the actual take-home, you're required to add the weight of the cargo with the weight of the truck. In this question, you were told that the loaded log truck weighs 6 3/10 times 10 to the 4th pounds. So all that combining is already done. As a piece of advice, you either need to make the magnitudes the same, or you can just convert them to standard form and just add them that way. In this case, we're just going to figure out the weight of the truck in tons. As of now, you're given that weight is 6 3/10 times 10 to the 4th. You could, if you'd like, convert that thing into standard, where we'd have to move it 4 spots. And once you've moved 1 spot, you've run out of room. So that means there would be 3 placeholders at the end. We know that truck weighs 63,000 pounds. Since each ton, if you were not aware, is 2,000 pounds, then we'd simply have to divide 63,000 by 2,000 to determine how many tons this truck weighs. Those cross cancel easily enough to leave us with a weight of 63 divided by 2, which is 31.5 tons. We can use those calculations to defend our last question, which is, will the truck be able to cross the bridge? Why or why not? Well, the bridge has a weight limit of 25 tons. Since 31.5 is greater than the 25, the truck would not be able to cross the bridge. So our answer would be no. And on question number 8, you have a little bit more scientific notation, arithmetic to do. I'm not going to convert into standard form because I think if you know your rules, doing the work in scientific notation is actually a lot quicker. In this question, you're given the total value of all the accounts. So they're telling you this bank contains this much money, and the number of accounts in the bank is right there. So this is a simple division question. Like most of middle school math, you just have to decide, add, subtract, multiply, or divide. I like to set the division up in a fraction. I think it helps you visualize what parts go together. So we have 3 7/10 times 10 to the 9th divided by 2 times 10 to the 5th. The first part is just division, so you'll do 3 7/10 divided by 2, which works out to 1 8500ths. And then in the second part of this division, you have division with a common base. So you keep that base of 10, and then you subtract the exponents to get 4. So the average value of each account would be 1 8500ths times 10 to the 4th. If you'd like to convert this into standard, just so you have better perspective of how much money that is, you would move the decimal 4 times, and after 2 spots, you've run out of room, which means you have 2 more placeholders, and the average value of each account is $18,500.